And it was fanfare on Duke Street as supporters of the JLP and PNP showed out in their numbers and colors. Here's Romano Lyons with that report.
Duke Street painted green and orange. Hair, earrings.
Shoes, Jamaica.
Shoes, the sidewalk special. Banter, gratitude.
Nobody else but PMP. Push and make me have a house. From me 19, I own my house, Evie Garden.
Political Toy Story, a cowboy, Johnny Bravo, and Miss Burchell all dolled up. But all excitement came to a pause for the national anthem. It even triggered respect among snipers.
Welcome Parliament as we open another term. Oh, this wig is legendary. You have to understand as a labor right, you have to have everything green. Only thing that is not green is your armpits.
So I'm a Dayachir, comrade of the People's National Party. So I have to out here to support my MP and my followers.
And the word of the day, even outside of Parliament, has been taxes. They say reading makes the man, but it angers this woman's spirit.
Raise for new taxes. What kind of taxes? Finance Minister said taxes. What the hell, broke loose? Hell broke loose at Jamaica with dead.
JLP supporters say otherwise. You expected it or not a good time?
Well, respect it.
Why?
Why?
Question deferred to teammate.
Why?
Why? Because I'm doing good. I see the best in my honest, in fixed hospital, no police crying again.
Well, the ones behind her aren't crying.
First time police and teacher and them way them run, we're gone to America. Now them have to run, come back because no one are better than yard.
Even with shades, he's seeing the spark.
That's right now, the Sparks program with Donovan is sending a message to even at Central Kingston alone, but to other residents who has passed. People has come and see what the good work that this government is pushing out.
But some say the only thing pushing is hardship.
I believe the PMP is the best. Yeah, and PMP, we don't suffer so much when time PMP are in the place. No, like Labour suffer. That we can't say about it.
Jamaican people cannot manage no new taxes right now at this present time. You get me? Many of us are not working right now. A lot of Jamaicans are not working right now. You get me? So the taxes don't make sense right now.
And who did it first? The shoe war.
No, PMP party is the first party. Brandish Clarks, our Labour right copy.
My clocks, my grandson sent it from England because when I'm swearing, me have to look good because my Prime Minister young and look good. Yeah, man.
The Prime Minister count a big of the green clocks. Some have to buy orange clocks for count time.
But it wasn't just about trivial matters. Some supporters say they want big issues to be addressed.
Building hospital, police station, see to that. Although people are getting paid already, but help poor people. Want the government pay more attention towards the health sector.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.